How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another Friday video, and we're back at the Paludarium today because it is the beginning of a new year, and apparently my new tradition with this tank is to rescape it at the beginning of the year and start off with something fresh and watch it develop as the year goes on. All the plants have really been thriving in this tank, and the fish too, and rescaping it gives me the opportunity to not only kind of change up how the plants are looking in the tank, but also gives me a chance to get out the year's fry that have survived in here from my pistos, because apparently they are also very prolific and very good at protecting their fry from any of the fish in the tank. So it gives me a good chance to take care of those too. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and jump right in and get to transforming this tank. So at this point I've got the Paludarium all disassembled down to pretty much just the bones of it. I'm going to work on restabilizing the land portion here. Pretty much what this was holding up before was just pretty much the branches of the wood and some sphagnum moss, and then with the plants rooting into it, pretty much made a working riverbank. But I want to support it a little bit better, so I'm going to glue on some mesh here that I can put everything on top of, and that'll hopefully make a little bit of a better land portion. For underwater substrate, I went with my mix of earthworm castings, coconut coir, and filter mulch, and capped that off with the sand that was originally in the tank. I'm hoping this will help the swords grow a little bit more.